Jagadish Raila says, NAV of Axis short-term debt fund fell by 0.21% in a single day earlier this week. Is this unusual? He has started investing in this fund recently, but is not comfortable with such dips. So should he pull out his money?
Well, he's correct. Axis short duration fund did witness a sharp one-day fall in its NAV, but this fund was not alone. All short duration funds witnessed a sharp drop in the one day NAV, and that's because it was driven by market-wide factors and not anything unique to this fund. In fact, if you look at the category, about half funds fell by a magnitude of about 20 basis points, while the worst one fell by about 32 basis points. Now, whether this is unusual or not, I'd say that such one-day falls of this magnitude are not very frequent, but it's not that they are completely unheard of either. So if you look at the last 5 years or so, there would have been about 18-20 such one-day periods when short duration funds would have experienced negative returns on an average of a magnitude of 15 basis points or more. So while this is an infrequent phenomenon, but this is not unheard of. Now, whether he should redeem from these funds or not, I don't think so. If his investment horizon is say more than 1 year, then he should not be too worried about these one-day ups and downs, because while short duration funds happen to be relatively safer in contrast to many other categories of bond funds, but they are not completely insulated to the ups and downs in the bond market. And if there are any sharp knee-jerk reactions that happen in the bond markets, these funds are bound to be impacted by them. But as I said, that if he has a horizon of more than 1 year, then he should not be too worried. The other thing I like to point out to him is that at least in the next 1 year, his expectations of returns from these funds have to be much more moderate. So if you look at the past, these funds have delivered 9 to 10% returns in the last 1 year. But if you look at going forward the next 1 year, these funds very likely will not be able to deliver these kind of returns. So from the next 3 to 4 quarters perspective, probably 5.5% returns would be a much more reasonable expectation.